Hey guys, it's Manny here. The purpose of this video is to help you fix this specific issue when it comes to syncing movies that you have on your iTunes library with any of your Apple devices. Not too long ago, my gym ended up getting some new equipment. And part of this new equipment were some treadmills. And these treadmills actually had a jack where I could plug in either my iPad, iPhone, or iPod onto them, and whatever's playing on the screen would be displayed on a bigger screen that the machine has. And I was pretty stoked about it, and especially since I had been using an old HTC phone in order to watch all my movies. And I was pretty static for this opportunity, so I came home and I took a video, put it onto my library, tried syncing it, and I got the following error. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, if you have a video that you either downloaded or you've had for some time and it's not specifically formatted for your device, you're going to want to use this program here. It's called Handbrake. And what you're going to want to do is go ahead and click on either iPod, iPhone, iTouch, or iPad. From now on, I'm just going to use your device because it's going to get pretty tedious to try to go through each Apple device that Apple offers. So what you're going to want to do here is go to Source, Open File. We're going to want to open our test file here, and it's going to load it. And we're going to need to pick a location for this file. We'll go ahead and choose the desktop, call it test2, and we're going to save it. Now you're going to want to make sure that you are saving on an MP4 format. Along with this, you're going to want to find out the specs for your device. For my device, the screen of my iPod is 480 and 320. So after I get my specs correctly, switch the anamorphic to none, and make sure that you are, if your device is here, you're going to want to make sure to pick your device from here. It already has preset settings that are going to definitely help you in formatting your device and not have to go online and search onto how to, format your audio, your video, and so on and so forth. So we have our location, our file, and we have the size of the screen that we want. So now we're going to go ahead and click on Start, and we're going to let it run. Okay, so as you can see, it has now finished. And here we have, that is test 1. Do a screen refresh, and here is the new file. If we go to Properties, we're going to see here that the file is has the width of 480 and the height of 320. So at this point, we're going to want to bring up our iTunes window, and we're going to want to go to Libraries, and we're going to want to bring in the new video that we want. Now, if you try to upload your video in this way, you are still going to run into the same issue. As you can see here, it's still saying that it cannot be displayed by your device. So the next thing you're going to want to do is go back to Library, go ahead and click on the video that we just formatted, click on the Alt key, File, Create New Version, create iPod or iPhone version is the one that I'm going to use. And this is going to go through a process of configuring that file. Okay, so we are back here on Library, and what you're going to notice is that iTunes created another file for you. If we go to our device, we're gonna see that the new version is significantly larger than the old version. So we're gonna unclick on the old versions that we had tried to sync before. Make sure that we have the new one checked off, and click apply. At this point, your iPod is gonna sync, or whichever other device you're gonna be using. And that's it. Now it's telling me to disconnect my device. Hey guys, as you can see, here's my iTouch 2. We're gonna go ahead and go to video. And as you can see, here is the test 2 video that we had synced. Alright, and that's all guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks. Bye.